So what I'm about to do is just a little dev diary on one of my websites, which is my blog site, which is Infinite Curios. It started off as this Next.js template that you'll see here. I just made a few adjustments to it over time. Well, first of all, you'll see the main page is a bit different. I just thought I'd modernize it a bit, add different tags as well. Well, style them, I should say. I need to actually change the margin here, it's too big for my liking. And I added this sort of glassy effect, which isn't on this one. That was just sort of inspired by the new iOS update that everyone was complaining about for some reason. So I changed this. Actually, I want to condense this a bit more because I'm not into this right now, but the point was to improve it from this. I wanted more functionality because this really just lists them, which actually gets really crowded. It was really crowded when on mine because I had quite a lot of blog posts. So obviously you can do alphabetical, etc., or search for it. So that was the idea for that. On the blog page as well, which is a lot different from this, this also just listed it here, which really got long quickly. So this is like sorted by popular A to Z again, with little cards. You can search each one, so I'll search SEO or health. Oh, don't have any of those. JSON, see if that works. Guide, tool. You can also search up here as well, which actually I quite liked there. So the template had this as well, but I quite liked it. I like how it's just an overlay. Also, with these Next.js sites, it all acts as one web page. So there's no loading between pages, which I quite like as well. It just seems a bit more seamless. I added something which is not on the default, the template, which is all these tools. Because the goal for this site, for me, was just to have somewhere to display my blogs, my projects, but also I wanted to bring in some kind of ad revenue. So I went for like popular tools like password generator, some converters, image compressor, some fun ones as well, which is just like random prompt generator. We've got some design tools as well. These are for like search engine optimization and things like that, and creating social media posts. You get the idea. Metadata preview, so how it'll appear on Google, etc. The only thing that's not working yet, which is kind of annoying, and I've been playing about with it for ages, and I managed to get it working one time, then I broke it again, is the QR generator, but right now it doesn't even scan, so I will be fixing that. But that was really just to bring in more traffic. And there's a few random little things I've added as well, like this little arrow, and I don't know, just in the general theme, which I might actually still change. I'm not sure if I'm into this background colour. I quite liked it when it was dark. Now the issue I was having was that Google actually, it didn't meet their requirements for the content. So I went and I started expanding each blog post one by one. I just brought up the content and the design and the UI up to scratch, made some other improvements. I'm really just doing as much as I can to try and meet the criteria that Google set, which is, I feel like, quite strict, to be honest, because it's still low value content at the moment. So I'm just going to keep doing that. What I've also done is, well, I'm in the middle of creating a script that I'll run, and it uses the API from Pexels, and what I want it to do is automatically scan my site for different blog posts and then just add complementary images that work with each post, and that's so I can be as lazy as possible, basically. I mean, it should increase the value of the content, and with it being automated, it should be quite seamless. Then each time I make a new blog post, it should automatically generate images as well as some of the content. So once I've implemented that, I'm going to then request a review from Google and hope that I can then finally monetize it. And that's about it really for this project. Very exciting stuff. I'm going to fix the QR generator, tidy up these tools, tidy this tag page, fix the margins, maybe change the background, and then submit it for a review to get monetized again. So that's just a wee look into that particular project. If you liked hearing this kind of content, just please comment. If you have any suggestions, please comment as well. So yeah, that's it. Thanks.